Let's talk making meetings effective. It's important to know how to have an effective meeting. What should be the rules, and should you have a presentation deck or not? These 4 simple rules can help you have effective meetings. Let's look at each one and how you can apply it. First one is 2 pizza rule. Then it's keeping 1 chair empty. Third would be to have no presentations, and the last one is starting the meeting with silence. Keep meetings between a small group of people enough to eat 2 pizzas, meaning there's more participation in discussion and more focus. Keep a chair empty to act as the customer or stakeholder. This will always help to keep the target audience in mind. PowerPoints are outdated and are often distracting. Instead, use a short, focused memo to keep the focus. Begin with silence. Have a note that puts the objective out in open. Let everyone absorb the objective and be prepared to discuss how to achieve it. This delivers purpose and ensures you're all aligned and focused. Meetings can be draining, but steal these rules to make them more effective. And share it with your coworkers who struggle to run effective meetings. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite rule.